Acha. You are appearing for generalist or any specialist? Hello.
Sir, yes, so
Hello. Your internet is not all right, it seems. You are appearing for generalist or legal or something like that.
sir, yes, so post agriculture,
Acha. You are
agriculture. Yes,
appearing agriculture post. Can you
yes, sir.
please tell me about yourself?
Uh, Thank you, sir, giving me opportunity for introduce myself. I am Samadan Sawant. I belong from Solapur district of Maharashtra. I done my schooling from my own village, Vadegaon. After that, I did my high school from New English School and Junior College, Sangola. After that, did my graduation in agriculture from College of Agriculture, Nashik, affiliated to Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapith Rahuri with first class grade. Uh, in my family, there are three members: my father, my mother, and me. Uh,
Please tell me about your project experience or group study experience when you were studying degree. Which year you completed your degree?
in 2022, sir.
Acha. Tell me about the project experience or field experience.
Sir, in last year we have a module, and we have a rural extension working program, where we needed to give demonstration to the farmers in a local village area. In that we need to teach them we need to teach them with improved technologies and enhance the what do you say? Modern agriculture. Uh, we did a demonstration of agriculture uh, for betterment of them, betterment of enhancement in production.
Hmm.
And after that, in the module, we studied the in agronomy, say agronomy subject.
Mhm. Good.
Um,
Now, what is agronomy?
Sir, agronomy is the study of plants and their growth behavior. Uh,
Hmm.
agronomy, the word agronomous derived from Latin word, which explains plants.
Hmm.
Agri.
Yeah. Hmm. 1 minute. 1 minute. Supposing I ask what is agronomy, क्या बोलता है Google
Sir,
engine?
I have a little hand over agriculture, my graduation, sir. That's why I don't have no more idea. I'm working on it,
No, no,
but
no.
at this point,
You studied BSc agriculture or what?
yes, sir. I have studied BS agriculture,
Uh,
but
but what?
it was not of my interest.
No, I
That's
said
why
no,
I
no.
just passed the
I s-
exam.
then how will I give you agriculture field officer post here in my bank? So doesn't matter. Please don't tell that.
Yes, sir.
You will have to know
No, sir.
what is
I won't tell them this. I just clarify. I'm just clarifying it with you. But I am
yeah.
studying agriculture related concepts from this 2 3 days.
Agronomy is the application of science and technology from the fields of biology, chemistry, economics, ecology, soil science, water science, post management, and genetics to the improvement and management of the major food crops in the world. So
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा आप search करके just as I am now doing, I just searched in Google like this, so I got this number of questions. So you can go through all these questions. What refers to economy? What agronomy means? More or less same answers. What is agronomy in BSc agriculture? Who is the father of agronomy? You may not know. It is Pietro D. Crescenzi. So likewise, ये पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. Agronomy का बारे में पूरा पढ़ना है. And I think I have already asked you to go through. There is one site, insightIAS.com. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please go through that website. From that website, what about agriculture they have given, you can go through that. You are from which state?
So Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Maharashtra is known for cultivation of which crop more in quantity? So for
Eh,
this, you have to know about Maharashtra GK, and please come across some place where they give you information about Maharashtra, which crop is grown. I think most of them will tell that it is sugar cane or something like that. I'm not sure. Um, 1 minute. Let me check up here. India, Maharashtra grows which crop? Besides knowing about agriculture, you must know some general knowledge questions like this also. Okay. Maharashtra is primary food crops are mangoes, grapes, bananas, oranges, wheat, rice, jowar, bajra, pulses, groundnut, cotton, sugarcane, turmeric, and tobacco or cash crops. What are the top three crop producing states in India? Get to know the top three crop producing states in India. Uttar Pradesh is India's topmost farming state with considerable state level crop production, including bajra, rice, sugarcane, food grains, and many others. It ranks first among India's wheat producing states, ahead of Haryana, Punjab, and Madhya Pradesh. So when you search like this, you will get lot of such interesting questions. ये सबको थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Now, which bank are you having account?
I am having account in State Bank of India.
Who is the chairman of State Bank of India?
Sir, Shri Dinesh Kumar Kharra, sir.
Very good. Who is the MD and CEO of our bank?
MD and CEO is Sri Krishna Harihar Sharma.
Very good. Can you name two or three directors of our bank? Board of directors.
Board of Directors. I have read 9 of them, but at this point I am unable to recall the names of them.
No
But
problem.
I know there are
No,
9 board of
no,
directors, I think.
no problem. No problem. So, what are the plus points of Samadhan? I
Plus
mean,
points of
people call you Samadhan or people call you Savant.
Samadhan is okay, sir. Samadhan, take on me, Samadhan.
अच्छा, कैसे आपको पिताजी माता how do they call you?
They call me a local name Dada, which is preferred by the sisters.
अच्छा,
And in friend circle, they call me Sam, Sama,
Sam,
these like.
Sam, Sama, like that. Very good. What is the meaning of Samadhan?
The basic meaning of my name is satisfaction.
Satisfaction or agreement?
It is satisfaction, sir.
1 minute. Meaning of Samadhan. Because in Tamil we call it Samadhanam, means we always say why is Samadhan needed? And here in this they are telling about Samadhan expansion for every letter. S means smart leadership, A means aggressive strategy, like that and all. थोड़ा इसको पढ़ लीजिए आप byju's.com.
Okay, sir.
I am giving in our WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.
Please go through that. Good. You are agriculture and you watch some of my videos on agriculture graduates. You may have to go through that thoroughly. What is e-norm?
Sir, I don't know. I have read about Enam,
अरे
but
बाबा,
I have little. I'm
मैं
not unable to recall about it
अरे
details.
बाबा, आपने तो ये सब पढ़ना है insightIAS.com. Inside, on site or inside? Agriculture Insight IAS. ये पूरा पढ़ना है. Are you seeing on the screen? हेलो. अच्छा, कट हो गया ना क्या? Samadhan, I think your line got cut. So Samadhan, your line got cut, na?
Hello, sir.
Samadhan, your line got cut probably.
Yes.
Probably. Yeah, I was showing you this site. This is what you should go through thoroughly, whether you like it or not. And apart from this, you will have to know about your state, which crops are grown more, about our country, which crops are grown more, what are the exports made, like that. ये पूरा भी पढ़ना है. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, why did you prefer agriculture then? Was it out of compulsion by parents?
Sir, here I need to tell you truth or the fictional story about myself.
Now tell me, I will, if necessary, I will correct you how we are going to tell there. Tell me. Honestly बता दो, बात में correction करना तो correction बोलेगा. बोलिए.
Sir, back then, decisions of my education took by my father, and I have a uncle who is educated in our family, only educated person,
Hmm,
who told us about the agriculture sector.
hmm.
So
But
I took.
honestly, let me tell you, this is a very good field. And
Yes.
if only you start liking it, you will be able to do well. Which date is your interview?
7th of December, sir.
You have even now 3 or 4 days before you. Please start going through these things. Please recollect what you were studying in agricultural program. What is the mark you scored?
I got a CGPA of 7.4%.
Not bad. Not bad. It's not a bad. It is 60 plus. Good. So
That's
please,
I
no,
have
no.
no such interest in agriculture, but I do know about the studies and sir, I do know about the agriculture sector. But I
Hereafter,
have been traveling from last 2 days to collect my
ye-
documents, all the required documents.
hereafter, your answer is I like agriculture very much. I love agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. एंड ऐसा आर्टिफिशियल आंसर्स आपने देना ही पड़ेगा.
So thank you. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
समझे? वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. बाय.
Hello, sir.
क्या? टेल मी.
I have been traveling from past 2 days to collect my documents for the interview. I haven't slept last night. I slept 3 a.m. in the morning today.
Oh, I know. That is why you are not able to answer.
That's why
Doesn't
I'm
matter.
buffering. I know the answers of some of the questions you have asked, but I'm buffering because I'm unable to recall or reconnect it with the
Because
answers.
the same thing with
We
me
can
also.
we can reschedule our interview second slot in 2 days that I will be prepared and I will give.
Which this is your first. You want a second interview on
Yes,
Tuesday, coming Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday will be okay, sir.
Tuesday, shall I make it 7:30 a.m.?
Can you make it little later, sir? Because we have I always sleep at 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning
Shall
in the
I
night.
make it? Shall I make it 9:30 a.m.?
Okay, sir, that will be good.
9:30 a.m.
Oh, so okay, sir. Tuesday 9:30 a.m.
Yeah. Please
So I
send
Hello,
a
will.
sir.
message. Please send a message confirming this in your WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Okay.
Good morning,
Thank
sir.
you.
This is Ayush this side.
Yeah.